Can't. Because you know what distracted me? There's a broom on the roof.
Once we did the first one and we found out how good it was, and everyone talks about it at the start of the year now. When we finish this one, it's like, what are we doing next year? What's the next one?
Actually, one of our staff members' family needed our help this year, so it was pretty obvious to us, you know, help family first.
Yeah, one of Doug's guys, his extended family, has they have a couple of children, and they have one of the youngest children who was under one was diagnosed with leukemia at 3 months old. So, and then really went through the treatment for the next 9 months to try and beat that. And then he passed away about 3 or 4 weeks ago. So it's been a real tough one.
Yeah, it's been hard.
And I guess underlines why we do it and what it's all about. It's, you know, the family have just gone through hell for the last 12 months, and to give something back one day, you know, just help brighten up their world and help them reset and look forward to the future. And if we can be a small part of that, then that's just great.
Isla, which is Keanu's older sister, this garden's for her. Just, yeah, this will bring the joy and the happiness and, you know, the extra thing that she needs in her life. And we're going to present something later on over here, this owl. This is very special to the family because Keanu held on to a little owl when he was at hospital, so the family all recognised an owl towards Keanu. So this is the owl watching over Isla play and can be seen from the family, and we hope this is going to bring a good memory. We commissioned an artist to make something for us, and I gave him the brief about today.
Yep.
This will mean a lot to you. Okay.
Oh my gosh.